Hello everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. I'm starting with this fabric. I got this at Dollar Tree and I've got this one also. Both of them came from Dollar Tree. All I did was I took my fabric and I put the bad sides facing in and I put it together, and then I cut out my trucks and my trees and everything that I want to make ornaments out of. See? And I've got, you know, the red truck on the front and then the stripes on the back. Okay. So I left the end open. So I'm just going to take just a little bit of polyfill and just put it in here. Okay, now I'm going to close this up. See, now you have just like a little stuffed red truck. I'm just going to take it to the next level. I'm going to put a hang tag on it. I've got these cute little wreaths, and I'm going to glue that on where the wreath on the door is, on the little red truck. And then I'm going to take my little rusty wire to use as the hanger. I'm just going to stick this through here. It should go through, I believe. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I have some coffee, instant coffee and cinnamon that I mixed with a little bit of water. And I'm just going to brush it over this. Because, you know, I like things to look grungy and old and everything. See? And then the back.